In Japanese? Ooh. I'm gonna go look for it. I've been looking for it. For you are looking for it? The Piplup and Dawn? Ooh. I don't have it. It's very cute though. Thank you. Are these your personals? Do you mind if I see it? Ooh, I love these. Ivysaur's favorite. Ooh, I love this one too. It's one of my favorites. Thank you for letting me look. Cute. I mean, same. Those are the best ones. This one is so cute. This Gothita. I did just get this Chansey in Japanese though. I love it.
I just got that one like the last event.
So good. I'm looking for this one too in Japanese. The Gardevoir. In Japanese? Ooh. I'm gonna go look for it. I've been looking for it for so long. Noted.
For the guy in the green shoes, it's the guy next to you.
Thank you. What were you
A few moments later.